All right, so on this episode, we're going to bring you baby-proofing the Macan. We have a new baby here, and some people out there might be interested, so I thought I'd just capture an episode with baby-proofing a Macan. We're going to put a baby seat in the back. We've got the WeatherTech seat liner that's going to go over these seats to protect the seats, so we can put the baby seat on top and not, damage the leather. Anything else going on here, we want to keep this clean. I just wanted to apologize real quick. In this video, there was a microphone that was on a stand that got hit a few times with different body parts, and it created a clicking noise. So you might hear that throughout the video. I do apologize. Please bear with us. Hopefully it's not too annoying for you. And then we're also going to install the WeatherTech floor liners, just as a precautionary measure back here, just to make it simple to clean. The floor liners are a really nice, easy way to clean. Especially people up in the north, I imagine, with snow. It's a great format to have. Relatively inexpensive, super easy to install. So let's get started. So first off, here is the seat cover, and this is their black color, but to me it's kind of like a faded black. Personally, I'm not really a huge fan. The underside's black and matches the interior, but it does have, spin this around, a bit of some grip underneath and some padding. So we're going to put this on the seat. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll show you, instead of watching me just kind of fumble around with it, I'll show you a quick after picture of it. So here's the cover mat on. It goes on very easy. There's some elastic bands that go over the headrest. It gives a good coverage area. I'm not really a dog person anymore, but I guess if you had a dog, this would probably be great. If you have a dog that sits in so you don't get pet hair and dander all over the place. They say it's specific fit for every vehicle, but you can kind of see where yes, it does fit and it gives good coverage, but I'm sure this fits most SUVs of this size kind of thing, which are a little different from the floor mats, which are laser scanned. So overall, good coverage area. I wish it was a little darker black to kind of tie the interior together and match a little better, but most important thing is baby-proofing the Macan, keeping it nice and ready for when he's a little older, and we pull all this stuff out and it can look like a great Macan again. Let me just show you, just throwing the car seat in real quick, and then we'll get to the WeatherTech floor mats. Got the infant seat in. This went in very easy. There's some anchor points below. Like I said, the Velcro just kind of separates a little bit and those slide right underneath. Overall, very good protection. I have the passenger seat, just FYI, pushed forward just a little bit to give me a little space to show. The driver's seat is in the position I would have it in. I'm 6 foot, and I don't sit really on top of the steering wheel. Yeah, as you know, the back seat of the Macan's a little bit tight. Let me get just one with the actual car seat in there, just give you some reference. It's an Evenflo car seat. Wife picked it out. I have no idea about anything car seat related. I know Recaro makes some, and I was kind of excited about that, but she said there wasn't as good of ratings on those. So I let her make that choice. Again, we're not an expert here, so just show you what this looks like. Okay, there it is, fully in. As you can see, it's pretty tight. I mean, the middle of the car seat itself kind of sticks to the middle just a little bit, but it fits, it works. I mean, it's not the most comfortable thing to bring in and out of a Macan, but again, this is kind of a little bit more compact of a SUV or a crossover, however you refer to it. I think of it more as a crossover. It's not the ultimate utility vehicle. It clearly isn't the largest crossover, even it's in its own class. But obviously you buy a Macan for the driving experience and performance. It backs everything up as the Porsche should. However, if you do want to travel with a baby, you can kind of see how it works here. And now we have some, the liner in here to cover all the seating surfaces. And then the WeatherTech. Installing the floor mats are super easy. You can just take the factory mat out, and it's a little dirty, I apologize. And then all you have to do is grab the WeatherTech floor liner. Here it is. What's neat is on the bottom, it shows you exactly where this floor liner goes. So this is for the passenger side rear. And this just goes right down like so. Perfect fit. Again, they laser scan these things, and super precise, gives you full protection. It rolls up a little bit, has a little lip on it. So really good for, capturing any mud, snow, sleet, ice, whatever. And then just kind of overall dirt. These things are super simple to clean. You just pull them out, wipe them off, or spray them with a hose. So a lot easier than the factory floor mat. We're gonna do the other side. But overall, really happy with what this whole package brings together. Very affordable package to kind of protect your vehicle's interior a little more. In the past, I haven't really done much of this. I kind of prefer the OEM mats. Just a softer feel, and they're not that hard to keep clean with a good vacuum. But before I was kind of rolling around without a small little infant, so I'm sure as he grows a little bit and starts consuming food and throwing food around, this is going to be a lot easier. So thought I'd put together a little quick video for you guys out here, episode 2 of baby proofing the Macan.